I'm just looking for something on Temu. I shop a lot on Temu, so I'm thinking I'm buying maybe a steam cleaner just to do the shower and maybe the stove and that. I've been looking and I've just found this, and it's been reduced from $84.68 to $35 on Temu. So I'm going to order this. And they have a lot of stuff off Temu, like clothes and that, and I've never had any problem like this. Was from Temu. It's not a scam, it's genuine. So look, there we go. And oh hang on a minute, I think the doorbell's ringing. I'll just go and check. Wow, I'm steam cleaner, it's here already. Oh, my feet are getting wet. In snow. Wow.
That was fast.
Bloody hell, that was fast. I only ordered it about 4 days ago. And they say it takes 10 days, but I'm happy now. Okay, I'm going to unwrap it and we'll show you how it works. So now I've got this bot from Temu, handheld steam cleaner. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to see what it is and what quality. And it wasn't that expensive. Open it. And they say it takes a long time when it comes, but wow. There's the hose. It's a bit, that's strong. That's the hose. And all these gadgets you get with it. That must be the power cord. And another bit here. And that must be for cleaning something. I don't know. I'll check it out later. And let's get the cleaner out. Wow, look at that.
It's tiny. Ooh.
It's handheld, that's why. It's for doing your bathroom. You can do your bathroom. You can do your stove. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all together and I'm going to see how it works, okay? Oh, it's got a knob, because I need to read the instructions. I can't just, no, that's not where you fill it up. I don't know where you fill it up yet. So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to show you how it works, okay? Oh, and we've got a bucket and a funnel, so that helps. Put the water in. And I've got all these little gadgets which I have to keep hold of, because in this house we end up putting things and we never find them again. And there's the handheld steam cleaner user manual. And plus, oh, you get a lifetime warranty. Contact us for a chance to win up to $100 in cash. Lifetime warranty. So if it breaks, I can send it back. And that's from China. Right, now I'm going to fill it up with some water. I think it says cold water. Oh yeah, it must be. I think you have to fill it up to the line.
Yeah.
So we're just going to keep an eye on it.
Can you see it?
No, because it might need the light on it.
No, you can see it.
Let's fill it up. It'll tell you when it, most probably. It takes quite a good amount of water. I can't see it. I'll try another one. So I put on the, I can't remember. Oh, overflowed.
Oh. Overflow.
Too much water.
That's alright.
Doesn't matter because it's not plugged in, so I'm not going to get electrocuted. So this is from Temu, right? So if Temu want to sponsor me on any items they want me to try, I don't mind. You send me something, I'll try it. And I'll tell my friends and everything about it.
And take the funnel out.
Right, so what are we doing now?
Lid.
Let's put the lid on. And maybe tighten it so it's really tight.
Not too tight.
And now I'm not gonna clean with it now. I'm just gonna try it, see if it does come on.
Let's see how long it takes to make steam.
So what we'll do, we'll plug it in this one. Light on. So we're just going to wait now. See how long it takes to heat the water up. Get a long enough thing so you can do your bathroom. You can do your stove actually, because I think I tried steam on my stove before, but this is just an handheld one. Going to try it out. This is just a try out. I'm not going to do a full clean today. Okay, so here I'm going to go with, I'm going to try it with a dog's bowl. Wow, that's awesome. And for size wise, it's 1 banana wide and 1.5 bananas high. Haha. Thank you, Temu. I'll give you a good review on this one. And that is for steaming clothes, or shirts, t-shirts, whatever you want to steam.
Get creases out.
Maybe we could try it one day. Okay, everybody, have a nice day. Thank you, bye.